Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a video loop on OBS or continuously repeat on an overlay. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application loads and you can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you'll find an area labeled Sources. This is where you'll manage all the different elements that appear in your stream or recording. Within the Sources section, click on the plus icon. This will open a menu with various source options you can add to your scene. From this menu, select Media. This option allows you to add video files directly into your OBS setup, which is exactly what we need for creating a looping video effect. After selecting Media, a new window will pop up asking you to name your source. You can rename it if you want. For example, type something like Loop Video to keep things organized, or you can simply leave it as the default name if that works for you. Once you've decided on the name, click OK to proceed to the next configuration window. Now you'll see the properties window for your media source. On the right side of this window, you'll notice a button that says Browse. Go ahead and click on it. This will open your computer's file explorer, allowing you to navigate through your folders and locate the video file you want to loop. Browse through your computer files, find the video you want to use, click on it to select it, and then click Open. This will load the video file into OBS and you'll see it appear in the preview window. Next, navigate to the loop option within the same properties window. You'll see a checkbox next to it. Click on this box to enable the loop function. This is what makes your video play continuously on repeat rather than stopping after it plays through once. It's essential for creating that seamless looping effect you're looking for. Additionally, you have the option to adjust the playback speed of your video. You'll see a slider in the properties window that allows you to control this. Simply drag the slider left or right based on your preferences. Moving it to the left will slow down the video, while moving it to the right will speed it up. This gives you creative control over how fast or slow your looping video plays. Once you're satisfied with all your settings, click OK to apply the changes and close the properties window. Finally, you may need to resize the video to fit your scene properly. You can do this by clicking on the video in the preview window and dragging the corners to adjust its size. This ensures your looping video fits perfectly within your stream layout or recording setup. And that's it, you've successfully set up a continuously looping video in OBS. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.